today. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. What I was telling you. Yeah. Let's try some values, different combinations of values. Okay. Suppose that what you do, I'll put some I here. Okay. I. Let's see what will happen. It's giving something like this: 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So you need to understand why. Can you tell me why it is happening like this? Danya, can you tell me why it is happening like this?
Because I plus 1, you have added the value I plus 1.
Suppose that let me do this, change this. I'll make it 5. J is 5. I is going 1 to like 0 to 3 because it is 4. And now I have J, means it will go up to 3 and 4. Can you tell me what would be the output of this code? Yeah, Pranavi, you can type the output in the
Oh,
chat.
sure, sir.
Chat, yeah.
Sure, sir.
But anyway, I have to.
Sir, can is it for 27? Cell 27 or 22?
22.
Okay, sir.
So you guys are not speaking. Why?
Because I'm thinking, sir.
Like this. Are you able to see my screen? I don't see you.
What's going on with my chat?
Let's see. I can put it on the top. Earlier it was on the top itself. Okay, that means I don't know.
Sir, my thing is not working, sir. I will just send it to you in a moment.
No problem. I'm looking at hostel. I don't. Yeah, no, it's correct. Can you tell me what is it going to print? Randeep,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output? Janya,
Sir, I'm expecting it's going to print like this. How do I say it?
yeah, Janya, go ahead.
Sir, will it be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Something like that.
In one row, what will be? First, tell me the value of first row. In first row, what values we are going to get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Correct. Second row,
Second row. The same.
Oh no.
No.
Randeep,
Yes, sir. So what I think is going to happen is since we discussed that in this case is I will have like I will go first.
mm-hmm.
I'm thinking it's going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
No, actually
Pranavi,
1, 2, 3,
what
4,
is your
5.
output?
Sir, I
Sir,
sent you.
Okay, we'll show everyone here. See, it will print something like this. It will go, it is printing I, right? You can see the output here. Pranavi has sent. This is the correct output.
We cannot see this output, sir. It's in chat, right?
Oh, it's not showing. Okay, anyway. So C has said something like this. It will come something like this. Like this.
Okay.
Why? Because I is printing. And first time, what is the value of I? 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. And how many times it will go?
5 times.
5 times. See the output. See, both are matching.
Sorry, what? Can you repeat the explanation again?
The first value of I is what? 0.
Yeah.
Then 0 plus 1. How many times this 1 will be printed? Because J is going from 0 to 4. It means 5 times 1 will be printed.
Yeah.
Then it will go to the next line. I will become 1.
Okay.
Then again J will go from 0 to 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5 times 2 will be printed. This is what. So like this, let's practice this. And I'll take up some time back from you and I will explain some question to Pranavi. Okay. She has asked me yesterday. I was working on that and you can also look at. Okay. Because you guys need to spend some time on this. Then I'll go for the definition
Is it
function.
CCC question, sir?
Sorry.
Are you gonna shows the CCC questions?
Yeah, I'll show the CCC questions now, and you guys should practice, complete the loop part as much. You can play with this. Okay, I'll again send you this uh, repo
Okay.
notebook. If you want, I have the solution for all the Python related, this one, pyramid related questions I can give you, but it's better to practice some of them instead of just getting the answer sheet from me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is, you need to do some practice. You have done on pen and paper, Janya, but you need to do see here. If you're changing something, make some changes and see how it is taking effect. If you're not able to understand, do in VS Code.
Yes, sir. But VS Code is not working for me as of now, so I just do it on paper.
If it's not working, then Randeep said he can help you. If he's not able to help you,
Okay.
then I will help you.
Okay, sir.
So Pranavi, I was trying to do two questions
Yes,
for
sir.
you. Okay. Oh, another question I like it has taken my so much time,
Okay, sir.
but still it needs a lot of cleaning and then still it is failing for four
Sir,
test cases.
this
I don't
whole
know.
thing is for the code, like is for the answer.
It is bit big
Uh,
now, but
Then,
it
then,
I
then
can
in that
shorten
case,
it.
we aren't making it. We're not making it.
No, no.
So you did functions as well for
Don't worry about function. I will
it?
write without a function.
No, no, sir, I can understand, but still.
And people still ask me why I hate coding.
No, don't worry. Actually, you guys are not spending sufficient time on this. Otherwise, we were going on very slow. It was nothing like I spoke very difficult concept. Okay, let me see where I
We
have
spend more
the,
time,
if I
sir.
have some
Spending more time.
data or not. 2017. Like I was working on my other laptop, so I don't have data. I need to download the
I can
2017.
send you the links. Oh yeah.
No, I don't. It's okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, is it possible to change the class timing? Seriously, sir.
Well,
Like,
it's good
no.
It's okay.
because like I come home after rest and then do my
I come
homework.
home at like 5, that's
Come
why.
home by 3:30, 4 o'clock.
No, I
The
come
rest of
home
the
at like 5, so I cannot like join any like earlier.
Okay, you can decide that one yourself. Then
sir,
we'll see. Let me download the data
you
and
you both stay. Sir, if you want, you can stay too. Seriously, we have to discuss this. I'm gonna fall asleep. This is like making me sleepy.
no, like so. This is for Pranavi. If you want to drop off, you can drop off because if you want to look at, you can look at. Okay, like you guys are not picking up the speed which it is required to. You have limited time, right? So
No, I'll pick up. It's okay.
it's not very difficult thing. Just I need to cover a function. Then whatever we need to learn, we have learned already almost. Just I need to cover some function or some of the here and there something will come up that I will cover.
Sir, I have one
I'll
question
see.
for
Couple
you.
of more thing I'll see. Yeah, tell me.
So from what we learned, how many questions should we be able to solve in the CCC? Two
See,
or
these
one?
CCC questions are based on the practice. You need to do practice a lot.
Okay.
Concepts, whatever we have learned, we need to add couple of more concepts. Like function is one important thing because that will simplify your work,
Okay.
and that will take couple of days, maybe 3 to 4 days to understand how function works
Okay.
thoroughly. And maybe a data type conversion a bit I will cover, and then maybe some more input, how to take input and playing with the list, set, dictionary. So maybe those things I'll all cover in parallel. But
No.
you need to be good at whatever you have learned.
Okay. So
So I don't want to just hold the CCC due to those, okay? You're gonna start to pick this. Whatever I have done through function, without function, or it can also be done. Just you need to repeat the same. In loop, yesterday I was explaining, right? Unrolling the loop. Unrolling the loop means what? Whatever you are typing in the loop, you can write multiple times without, like,
Without the loop.
right,
Without.
without that counter. So same thing is with function. If I want to use something again and again, I put into the function. So I will not use any function. I will just put the code here multiple times, as many times I'm calling the function.
Yes, sir.
It's nothing big thing there, okay? Because we are experienced coders, so we like to use this function because if we like to put
Ye-
something modular
yes,
format,
sir.
but it's
Functions
nothing,
are
nothing.
actually like organized than normal coding, sir.
Yeah, but it's nothing to worry about that. So what I'll do here, it takes time actually if you are new to this. I'll explain you this code and then question and then code.
okay. Sir, when can we do the separate class?
Okay, tomorrow we'll join bit early if you want separate class.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And then let's see, I want to get the question also, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
This is the electric one, right, sir?
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
sir, what is DEF?
Junior EF, I
Define.
don't.
It's for function.
Oh, okay. DF, I saw this EF. Okay. DF is for definition. Definition is definition of function.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, problem one is easy. Problem one I can do.
So here is this is the one question, okay? So you live in a grid city, which is your composed of integer number of streets and which runs on east and west parallel to x-axis, and another integer number of avenues which run north south. So let me take a pen here. So I found it needs some kind of aptitude thing. Okay, it doesn't need so much of coding.
Yes, sir.
You need to be very good at aptitude. You need to practice aptitude thing. This is what my observation is. So
Aptitude
what it is telling, yeah.
height.
So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what it is telling, and generally, if you know, you should know this. This is the sorry. That's what I was thinking. This is east direction. This is west. This is north. This is south. Did you understand this? Your right hand side is east. Your left hand side of the screen is the west. Your head top top is the north and bottom is the south. Okay. So even if you read this question, they are telling this north south and all just to make you understand how this you can say streets are going and how avenues are arranged. So this is the first street, one street. This is another street. This is another street. Likewise, a street, a street, a street. So street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Likewise, This is avenues. Okay, so let me take avenue. Second avenue, third avenue, fourth avenue, fifth avenue, sixth avenue, likewise.
Enough, 6 enough.
Okay. So we'll put again 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what it is telling, you have some battery car, okay, and it has some battery, okay, that will be specified in the form of T here, okay, and we have 4 coordinates like AB. AB is one point and CD is another point. What is AB and CD? I'll take suppose that this one. Let us take what they have given some example. We'll take that 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 3, 4. So 3 avenue and 4 street. They will mention here. Here,
Yes,
if you
sir.
read, okay. If you read here, they are mentioning here. Here,
Y is
3,
the street
3
and X
here, 3 here.
coordinate is
Yeah.
the
Avenue 7, street minus 3. Okay,
yeah.
so here you can see 3 is avenue. So 3 avenue means this one is avenue, right? You can say this is avenue. And this is a streets. Like, so 3 avenue, I'll take here. Oh, sorry. 3 is avenue and 4th is a street. So this one is 4th, this one will take point here, 1 point here. Okay. And then another point is 3, 3. So 3, 3 is just here. What it is telling, this is one junction, this is another junction, okay? So we need to travel from here to here. So from here to here, it takes 1 unit of battery, 1 unit of battery to travel from there to here, right?
Yes, sir.
So now it is telling, suppose that you have been given 3 unit of battery. So condition is, if I have given point A, this is point A, this is point B. If I have to go A to B, if I reach to B, this all unit of battery should be exhausted. If I'll go shortcut way, it will take 1 unit. Then I will be left with the 2 units. So that is not correct. We have to exhaust all the units of battery before reaching there. So what I will do, I will take another a turn. Like I'll go from here to here, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So it means you can say that from this junction to this junction, using 3 unit of petrol, we can reach. If it is we are able to reach, it means we are able to exhaust exactly as number of unit of battery you have from to reach from source to destination. Then you can say this is doable, and answer is yes. If you are not able to exhaust all the unit in order to reach from here to there, source to destination, then answer will be no. That's all. This is the question. Like couple of here, like some conditions they have kept that I will let you know. Just like either you can put, when you take input A and B, C, D or T, you can check condition using if else, or just you can put assert. Assert is a keyword. So I will cover that one later on. Okay. So question, you got the question, right? So this is, when I started to work on this, I figured out that there is nothing much in the coding. Yeah, Pranavi, go ahead.
Sir, they said that you could go to the destination one like repeated times, right? So till you have the battery. So
Yeah,
how are
that
we
is
gonna
also.
consider all those cases?
Sir, we
See,
can't
but
go front and back for fun, can we?
yeah, we can. It has written that like you can take U-turn, you can
Yeah,
straight once again. You can also hit the same. So the point is, at the end when you stop, that time your battery should be exhausted onto
zero.
that point. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's all. That is the only condition you have.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Yes, sir.
So here So question is, so let us take some of the possibilities, okay,
Mhm.
and see what are the possible things. In this, you have seen that like when we have taken these 2 points, either we can reach using 1 unit, okay, or 3 unit. If I'll take some more movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So note it down. I'm able to reach with using 1 unit, 3 unit, 5 unit. Let us take some more movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So can we go diagonals?
There is no diagonal. I didn't go to any diagonal.
No. Can we
No, we
go like
cannot. We
that?
cannot.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you? Can you? You don't have to jump. It is a road, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. It is a road.
Oh. Oh, it makes sense now. I thought we can go diagonals
So,
as well.
likewise, let us take some more example. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay.
So do you notice some pattern here?
All of them are odd numbers
Yeah,
and
all are
they
odd numbers. You're right. All
yeah.
are odd numbers. You take any example, you can go ahead, you can check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. See?
Oh, so T has to be divisible by
2.
no.
So what you
Divisible
I'll
by
tell
2
you. So this is
equals
one case. This is the case 1. Okay.
yes, sir.
This is example of, we'll take case 2 now. It might be possible. I'll take a point here, and this is another point, A to B. I need to reach A to B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There we have seen this distance was 1, right? Distance was 1. So smallest distance was 1. In this case, the smallest distance is 2. So coding will not be difficult. You need to crack this logic, then coding you can do easily. Okay. So our smallest distance will take 2. Now we'll take some other 1, 2, 3. Did I miss something? 4. It is 4 actually. 1,
Yeah,
2,
yeah.
3, 4. So it is 4. Now let us take one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we can take some more. So eventually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here. This is important. Minimum distance is 2. Suppose that I'll take some other distance. 5. Distance of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A and B. So this is 5 distance, right? So this is the smallest distance. 5. You got it? Now you have to try how many. You can see that if I'll go to one line here and then I'll go parallel here, I'll go come here again.
Yes, sir.
So only 2 is extra, right? So it is 7. Likewise, if I'll go again here, 2 line up and 2 line up here, this 5 will be common. So 5 plus 4, 9. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So you can observe this is the short distance. After that, the difference is always 2. Distance is always multiple of 2 actually. See the distance. You got the idea? Like, sorry,
So
it will.
multiple of 2 plus 1, right? For odd.
No, this is the shortest distance.
Yeah, if the shortest
Shortest
distance is
distance
like
plus
odd
multiple
number.
of 2.
Okay.
Shortest distance plus
Multiple of 2.
multiple of 2. That is the logic. So question is trick is here. Multiple of 2 you can easily determine, right? Divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
How we can decide the distance between this point and this point?
Distance formula.
Yeah, any distance formula you can use. Either you can use like you have. So generally in this case,
So,
like in this, because this is a binary kind of movement, so we cannot use the distance formula which you know. This is not work. It will not work here.
because this will give like diagonal ones as well,
Yeah,
right?
so this will not work here. So for that, some formula is called. This one will not work.
Yes, sir.
Something called, this is called Euclidean distance. What you know, this is called Euclidean distance. Means it gives you the shortest formula diagonal. It will be diagonal, right?
Okay.
For this kind of situation, we have some formula called Manhattan distance.
Okay.
Manhattan is the like a scientist. Euclidean was the biggest scientist in the,
Like Manhattan, as in like the one in New York.
yeah, like this Manhattan city. Yeah.
Okay.
So Manhattan formula is just. Are you? Did you take the screenshot of this? You take a screenshot of this, then I will remove this.
Sir, one
One
second.
second. 1 second. Yes, sir.
I'm not done yet, sir.
No
I can
problem.
send it to you.
No, it's okay. Got it.
Janya, have you gotten this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just
So Manhattan formula is nothing but absolute x1 minus x2
Oh, this one.
my
plus,
door is.
sorry,
So that's why you had like a ABS of
yeah. So
that's
this is
there
your
in your
A, this is a B, this is your C, this is the D. Okay. And T
Yes,
has
sir.
given something, right? T has given, suppose that 10. So what will you do? So it will be T minus whatever it is you take, multiple of this remainder of 2. So if this formula, if you are able to get at 0, it means answer is yes, otherwise answer is no. If you understand the logic, you code this, you code yourself, then I will explain the code tomorrow.
Okay.
Take the another screenshot. Did you get this? What I typed here?
Yes,
What I
sir.
wrote here?
But if the distance is like shortest distance is like 1.
No, shortest distance will be 135, anything it can be. You
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
calculate this for using this formula.
But if it's like odd number, sir, it's
Whatever
not
it
gonna.
is, just you need to subtract that one from the T. So this is your Manhattan distance.
Mhm.
And what is
The
T?
T is the total battery it is given.
Okay.
So total battery minus the distance, so that is the unit will be gone, and that is subtract,
Sir,
right?
but we need to know a lot of math formulas for this contest then.
There is no math formula here. It's very basic formula, right?
I didn't know that
Yeah,
formula,
we don't
sir.
know.
Yeah. No issue. We'll come to know slowly. We'll need to learn. We have to figure out what kind of things they're asking.
Yes, sir.
So can you solve this problem yourself now? Like, and here a couple of more things, and now I remember, which we like for they have, I don't know how you can test this code. For my case, like I had to implement to read all the test cases and then check all the test cases, and then it will tell, okay, how many test cases are pass or fail, all that thing. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, how much time did it take for you? 30 minutes?
I sat in the no, I sat in the evening, and I was actually this one has taken so much time, but still I'm still need to figure out the
So much.
four test cases, but it was doable easily. Initially, I had to write and all this thing, now how to read all the files and everything. You can see here some of the test cases they have given in this.
But
So,
we don't have much time, sir. They give us 5 questions and 3 hours. That's it. We're done.
so if you will be able to solve the question, you can solve in half an hour. Okay, if you are not able to solve it, it will take some time.
Okay.
If it is not solvable, then even you take 6 hours, you cannot solve. So these are the different input values they have given, and you have to, like I had to process all these input values and all, but you don't have to do that. You can say 15 cases are there. You can check couple of them, then I will explain you how to read all this. So for that, we need to read couple of more things we need to learn, which I realize you need to read. You need to know function to simplify your work, file handling, like which is not required for the exam. In exam, you don't need this.
Yes,
Here
sir.
to
They
read the
don't give
test
us
case.
any text
Yeah,
cases,
yeah.
only like 2.
No, no, like file handling means here I have test cases they have given, right?
Yeah, but
So I need to process here. So to process on your laptop, you should know how to read the file, how to process that.
yes, sir. But in CCs, in the
Yeah,
actual
yeah.
like,
They
contest,
will
they
give
will
this.
not give.
Yeah, they will give you only these two values, and then
Yeah.
once you submit the code, it will give you the how many test cases you pass.
Yes, sir.
See, only two sample they will give you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you try to solve, and then we'll see. So these are the two things I realize you need to learn, like to run each and everything on your laptop yourself. Otherwise, manually, it's not feasible to run each of the check the test case value and check the output. That's not feasible thing, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this code, once I'll give you, you'll be able to use this code always for any test cases. So just you need to write some functions, and rest of the things will almost similar. This part will be almost common for you,
Yes, sir.
and this part you need to write. I guess I'm already recording the session. You don't have to see the output. I'll stop this. Am I recording or not?
You are recording, sir.
Yeah,